Naka-isolated po ako. Today's day 1, bali 7 days po. So this is my room. All my medicines are there. Medicine. I have for my BP. And then I have my working table here. Will serve also as my dining table. Yeah, I'll be eating and working there. And then I have a mini kitchen here. Yeah. I have rice cooker. There. For boiling. I'm cooking my noodles. And then for grilling. Yeah. Complete na po ako dito. I have peanuts, kasoy, eggs, carrots. Yeah, I have vegetable also. Yeah. So I'll be cooking on my own. And then this one last night, niluto ko po yan, adobo. So mini pantry. Yeah. I have a mini pantry here because 7 days po ako nakakulong dito sa kwarto. Yan. Yan. I have that mini pantry. Yan, my tea. I have meron din po ako dito maliit na styro. I covered it muna. Styro po yan na may ice sa loob. So I put some frozen food there like dumplings. So since last night, the other night, I already prepared everything na. Yan. Para po walang makakalimutan. There. My water also. So, the door is locked. Para hindi buksan ng mga anak ko. So, I'll be cooking here. There. So, magmumukmuk ako dito sa room on my own. So, bali the kids were transferred to the playroom. Doon na po sila matutulog for 7 days only. I was alone in the bedroom now. I have my own toilet here kasi I cannot share toilet with them. All the things I'm using is disposable as of the moment para less contamination po. Thank you. Cooking my dinner. Yan yung tira last night. It's a soup, then I just put noodles. Diba, parang ako nagka-camping. It's mini camping. Then I just put vegetables. Vegetable and noodles. As you can see guys, I'm using only a disposable bowl. Disposable utensils. Yeah, I'm not going to eat here. Para less contact. Dinner time.